So I wanted to answer this question because some people forget about what manipulating the 3D really means. So an example of manipulating the 3D would be posting something on your social media so that way your specific person sees it, or doing something just to make them jealous and getting a reaction out of them. That is what manipulating the 3D is. So if our only job is to go within our imagination and live in the end as if we already have our desire, then why would you need to go and manipulate the 3D? Why would you need to go and post that picture on social media to try to get their attention? Why do you need to go and send that text and hope you'll get a response from them? No, you live in your mind. If you are wanting to be with your specific person and you're living in your mind as if you are with them now, then there's no manipulating the 3D. There's no trying to get their attention. They're with you now. So whenever you have moments where you're like, you know what, I want to post this picture to get their attention. Nope. You stop yourself and you go within and you say, nope, I'm with them now. I don't need to manipulate anything. They're with me now. And that's that. And then just let the 3D unfold. Let everything happen naturally. And you will notice that everything is going to work out in your favor no matter what. Follow me for more tips.